Hello guys, in the last video we introducing you the hardware channels on the remote controller, and in this video we will address how to use the two control stick, the joystick on it to control the drum. So now we already patched the drum, and there's two joystick. The left one is for the left hand, the right hand is for the right hand. So we start from the right hand. The right joystick, if we're moving forward and back, we'll control the accelerator of the drum. If you push forward, the drum will go up. If you push it down, the drum will go down. If you push to the end, the drum will be landing. If you push to the left and right, the drum will fly to left or right. So if you push to the left, the drum will be fly to the left direction. If you push to the right, that will be fly to the right direction. And now we go to the left hand. The left hand up and down is controlling the moving forward and moving back. If you push it forward, push it. When you push forward, the drum will fly to the forward, and the same if you push back, the drum will fly to the back. That's why it's always very important to align the tail to you. The left and right control the direction of the drum. So now we move to the left. The drum will rotating to the left. If we control the stick to the right, the drum will rotating to the right direction. That's the control stick on the drum.